Would you like to get paid for helping the environment? Continue watching this video to learn how, starting today. Does having a business that excites, supports and empowers you be something worth considering? Then We Can Eco could be the adventure you've been waiting for. At We Can Eco, we're passionate about empowering people by enabling them to be part of the solution to the problems that our planet is currently facing. We believe that real change comes from individuals. The more individuals doing what they can towards a common goal, helping the environment. We show you how simple it is. Just change one thing that you already do, so everyone can do it. Yes, including you. We have a wonderful community to welcome you. They have all been where you are right now, and are super supportive and helpful at every turn. There's something so special about being alongside people who genuinely want to help you succeed. We're here to give you as much help and support as you need from day one. It's your business to build your way. Whether that is online, parties, events, catalogs, groups, or any other way you can think of. Are you ready to start your new business adventure? Go to ecoeshop.co.uk. Simply follow the 4 steps and you can be in business within the next 30 minutes. This opportunity is brought to you by Mick Guilfoyle, We Can Eco Independent Distributor. Full details can be found at ecoeshop.co.uk. I look forward to helping you get started.